Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to close your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in linkedin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official LinkedIn website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you don't wish to use your account anymore and you wish to close your profile, then click on the Me icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy. Now, from the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll all the way down and you will see the Hibernate as well as the Close Account option. Now, if you only wish to take a temporary break, you can click on the Hibernate Account option and you can log back in anytime that you wish. Otherwise, if you wish to permanently end your account, click on the Close Account option and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to proceed. After proceeding forward with the confirmation, you will be asked to enter your account password in order to verify your identity. After entering your password and verifying your identity and confirming your account deletion, your account will be deleted and you will be logged out from your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to close your LinkedIn profile. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.